We have heard a lot about mutual fund, how it is beneficial in long run. You want to invest for your child's education? Go ahead, invest in mutual fund. Want to get your dream house? Mutual fund is the best way to make your dream house come true. But how does mutual fund work and how is it profitable in long run? That is because of compound interest. And in today's video, we'll understand the magic of compound interest. So let's get on with it. First, let us understand what is compound interest. Let's say, for example, I invest 1000 rupees every month for 10 years at 8%. So I've invested 1.2 lakhs, which will give me a yield of 1.84 lakhs. Now 1.84 lakhs I reinvest for 10 years, so this will give me 3.95 lakhs. So did you realize that I had put some amount initially, and with the returns and the additional amount that I'm putting in, I'm getting a better sum gain. That is how compound interest makes it much more profitable situation. Though the 1000 rupees initially looks very less amount, but in the long run it becomes a very greater sum. So now we have understood about compound interest. Let us see the basic about mutual funds and what are the 4 things that you should remember while choosing your mutual fund. The 4 things that you definitely need to remember while selecting your mutual fund is the expense ratio, the category average, benchmark, and the risk management. Now what is expense ratio? Expense ratio is the cost or the fees that you pay for the management of the fund as charges, so that they give you the promised guaranteed return that they have assured to you, and also they manage your fund. So lower the expense ratio, the better is the fund for you. Now while selecting the mutual fund, benchmark is something that should be sought after. How does a benchmark help you? A benchmark helps you to understand how the mutual fund is faring in the market. Let's say, for example, the market rallies to 15% and your mutual fund gives you a return of only 12%. That means your mutual fund is underperforming. Now when you see a mutual fund, the mutual fund should work in such a way that when the markets go up, the mutual fund returns should go up, and when the markets go down, the mutual fund returns should be fairly down. The benchmark of a mutual fund helps you to determine whether the mutual fund has given the return and past performance in a right way or not. So hunt for a mutual fund which has outperformed the benchmark. In a financial market, you have heard a very big mantra that higher is the risk, higher is the return, which is very true. Now in a mutual fund, the market conditions do play a factor, but also the sector allocation play a factor. Now the market condition is determined by your benchmark. In sector allocation, choose the fund which is the sector which is booming in India right now. So if you are selecting a sector allocated fund, choose those sectors which are currently booming. The last thing that you should remember is the category average. The category average helps you to see the past performance of the mutual fund when comparing to the mutual fund in the same category. Usually there are 3 categories: large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Let's say, for example, you have selected a mutual fund of small cap and the category average return is 33% and your mutual fund has given 39%. That means your mutual fund has outperformed its category average. So select the past performance of the mutual fund by seeing the category average of the mutual fund. If you're a parent who is super confused about what to do and how to manage your child's fund, and also how to give them the financial freedom so that they can choose their dreams in the future, then you can always go on to the EduFund app and see the list of curated funds that they have on their platform. I hope this video helped you in a lot of ways. And today we learnt upon the magic of compound interest and how to select a mutual fund. So please subscribe to this channel, as EduFund would be bringing 2 videos every week on the topics of education and finances. So stay tuned and please subscribe to this channel.